Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased the Mandala set of stamping plates that Born Pretty had recently released. In a video I uploaded last week, I swatched and reviewed the first three. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing the final two Mandala stamping plates. As always, you can find where I purchased these from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll be using my usual scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo clear stamper. The first plate is Mandala S004. So with the photo swatches from this plate, I've done each image twice. Once coming down the nail as you view it on the plate, and then the other I've turned in a different direction and then stamped. And I'm going to show you that with these two swatches. For the first swatch I'll be using a pink nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. Now I will be removing any excess that I've picked up, and I'm going to place this one coming down the nail tip. Now you could very easily colour these, I'm going to call them leaves in, which would really add to this design, but this is beautiful. For the second swatch I'll be using a green nail tip along with a white stamping polish. I'm going to swatch the same image again, but this time I'm going to place the stamp at the top of the nail. This just shows how the same image looks in a different way that you stamp the image. Both look absolutely stunning. Now you could even go from the free edge and come up the nail. There's a multitude of possibilities on stamping with this type of design. On to Mandala S005. For this swatch I'm going to be using a white nail tip along with a teal green stamping polish. Now I will tidy up the sides before placing down, as the centre image is the two images touching, so I just want to clean that up a little bit. I haven't used this stamping polish much, but it is stunning over the white though. For my next swatch I'm going to be using a yellow nail tip along with a plum coloured stamping polish. Again, removing the excess. This image only just fits the nail tip, and these are my largest tips that I use for swatching. But I love this image though, it's stunning. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these Born Pretty Mandala stamping plates. Mandala S004 has these 8 amazing designs. As I said in the video, what I've done is I've taken 2 swatches from each design. So each photo swatch you see, they are side by side. I've used the Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo stamper for these swatches, which has helped me line the designs up at the top of the nail and the sides. Each image is packed full of amazing detail. These types of designs have to be my favourite, especially when they are full circle designs. Even with the amount of detail, the swatches have turned out brilliantly. With Born Pretty stamping plates, they are super easy to use, so any ability of stamping will be able to use this fantastic plate. I would personally love to see this set being made into their large plates that Born Pretty do. I know they have quite a few out already like it, but I just prefer the bigger style plates, that's all, and I think this would look stunning even bigger. So for the mani, I took inspiration from one of my swatches, the teal and white. I just loved how it looked. However, when I did a full mani of it, I did begin to wonder if all of that white was just a little bit too much. Don't get me wrong, I do like it, but I think maybe if I'd have used, say, a pearl white stamping polish, it might have looked a little bit better, a little more subtle, shall we say. Mandala S005 has a lot of amazing designs ranging in sizes. I've taken 14 swatches in total, of which I've used my Tiffany Duo stamper and also my small clear stamper. Now there is 3 images that I'm not sure if they're meant to be layered or not. And the only reason I'm saying that is I actually have a plate from another brand which is full of them. The open circle at the top on the left hand side, I wondered if it was meant to be over the top of the 2 smaller images below it. So for them swatches, I've done the 2 smaller ones on their own, but I've also added them with the open circle over the top of them as well. Now, to be fair, they have worked as I thought they would. So it'll be interesting to see how people will use these. Again, there is some amazing detail throughout Mandala's S005. I really want to create a mani using all 5 of the Mandala stamping plates. I think it would look amazing. For the mani, I went with a lavender purple and a dark purple sort of theme. And I've used a few different images. I've also used the open circle and filled it with one of the smaller images as well. This mani is quite different with a lot going on, but I really do like it though. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box for you. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 2 Born Pretty Mandala stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.